Howdy folks, it's Handsome, and today we have the Canon F1. But before we dive into that, hit that like, hit that subscribe, shoot me a comment. We're doing good old light seals on a classic camera that came out in 1971. Back in my day, I was not alive in 1971, but this camera was groundbreaking for Canon. It competed with the Nikon F, the Nikon F2. It just was crazy. It has 4 axes, horizontal travel focal plane with metal curtains. Let me tell you something. I love metal cameras. I love metal components in cameras. I really hate plastic. But besides all that gibberish, we're going to be doing the light seals and the mirror cushion on this original F1. Alright. So we're going to remove this door first and foremost. I already have pre-cut light seal foam. If you need to get your foam, get it from uscamera.com. Pictures here, link will be there. I've been using them for a very long time. If you are an SPT member as well, you get a discount at uscamera. Just to let you know. Alright, so we're gonna get to scraping and cleaning. First I'm gonna use denatured alcohol, and I'm gonna clean this film door of 1971 light seal debris. Hope everybody's doing well, staying positive, staying focused. Yeah, I mean, if you don't clean this debris that is on the doors, especially on the sides, when you replace your light seals, you'll close the door, think you're done, and as soon as you open the door, it'll rip the seals out because, yeah. Alright, we got that wiped down. Let's get to scraping. Oh yeah, tools. Let's talk about tools. These ain't nothing special. I forged these out of old soldering tools. I thought, man, this would be perfect, and I've had these for my whole career. Literally whole career. You got your curved tweezers. Be using those today. I sell these. The link is right there. And we got our Fiskars. Shout out to Fiskars. Y'all should sponsor me. Light seal scissors. Bro, y'all should make me some scissors specifically for cutting light seals. That would be clutch. I don't even know who Fiskars is. Fired. Alright, let's get to scraping, man. You're over here babbling about greatness. Gotta scrape all the light seal residue out and pay attention how far they go. See, they stop here and this one stops there. Interesting. See, and this little tool enables me to just make a smooth, clean scrape. And that's really what you want. You want a clean, smooth scrape. Get some blow. A little blow never hurt nobody. Sorry, just getting the light seal stuff off of mine. Don't put that in there. Need to get this scraped. Alright, let's lay this down. Just like I did last night. Alright, gonna start on this side. It doesn't pop up. And remember, on this side it went all the way and it stopped right there. Make mental notes. We're gonna lay that one down like we did last night. There we go. And we're going to cut 4. Boom. I'm going to use the same one like before. Each camera has different size light seals and stuff, so that is why I like to cut it myself instead of buying the pre-cut stuff. Honestly, I've never even bought the pre-cut stuff. I have customers that have brought in their camera with the pre-cut, and I specifically didn't even use their pre-cut stuff. Nothing against them, it's just I got my own way, man. Alright, now we're gonna lay this skinny one down. Remember, cut that tip. Long one goes here. Or does it? Nope, tripping. Alright, we got those. Let's do the test real quick. We do that to test that if any light seals get stuck on the door, because if you go past those points, it will get stuck. Let's go ahead and knock out this. Give me some blow. Right. Oh man, that's way too long. Okay. Alright, cool. Let's go. like to test the mirror cushion. Ooh, I love the way this camera feels. 125th. Ooh, so it has so much authority. Well, let's clean up real quick. Hope this video will help somebody out with their light leaks. Maybe it's somebody in Alaska that doesn't have a camera repair tech, or Hawaii. Leave a comment if your city does not have a repair tech in it, or state. I'll come open up a shop. You never know. Canon F1 light seals. But this is Handsome. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your patience. Y'all know the drill. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace! I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no